Good morning, students. Today we will discuss more about natural calamities. But before starting the chapter, thought of the day is stay positive, better days are on their way. What is the thought of the day? Stay positive, better days are on their way. So, student, let me start the chapter from page number 44. On this page, we will discuss and learn more about the floods, tsunami, drought, etc. Okay, now student, before starting the chapter, in previous video, we have to learn natural calamities. So student, I hope you all understand what is the natural calamities. Okay, now then we will start page number 44, floods. Now student, flood occur when the water level of river rises and the excess water flows into the surrounding areas, causing damage to life and property. Here, flood occur. When flood occur? When the water level of rivers rises and the excess means heavy water flow into the surrounding areas. It's causing damage to life and property. Floods can happen due to heavy rainfall and due to the melting of glacier in some cases. So student, you know the name of the place in Uttarakhand and some number of regions, Bihar, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh and a part of Meghalaya, Mumbai, etc. They are suffering from floods. Student, causes of flood. What is the causes of, what is the reason of flood? Flood are caused due to natural as well as man-made causes. Okay. Now, first point here, due to heavy rainfall, the water level in the river increases and the excess water spill onto the nearby areas, causing damage to life and property. First point, due to heavy rainfall. What happens when the heavy rainfall? The water level in the river increases and the excess means more water spill. Water spill means overflow to flow onto the nearby areas and causing damage to life and property. Second point, due to global warming, the average temperature of the earth is increasing. This is melting the snow in the mountains and as a result floods are occurring. This is man-made reason causing flood. Due to global warming, the average temperature of earth is increasing and we understand the student, day by day our earth's temperature is increased and this is a reason for man-made reason. Okay, now third, when water from dam is released, it result in flood. This is also a man-made cause. Which is a man-made cause? Two man-made cause. First is due to global warming, the average temperature of the earth is increasing because we cutting down the trees and overgrazing. This is the reason. And now then, when water from dam is released, it result in flood. Yes, this is also a man-made cause. Okay, so student, flood occur when the water level of rivers rises and the excess water flows into the surrounding areas causing damage to life and property. Okay, now move on next page. Precaution. The few measures which can be taken during floods to avoid loss of life and property. First point, if there is a flood alert, then the area should be vacated immediately. Cattle and other domestic animals should also be moved to safety. And second, river banks are often broken as a result of seasonal floods. They should be repaired timely. Student, here is the word repair. What it mean? It means the act of putting something in working order again. It is repair. It means the act of putting something in working order again. It means mending. Okay, these are the synonym of repaired. All electronic gadgets and connections should be turned off during a flood alert. All electronic gadgets like fan, cooler, etc., etc. So many types of electronic gadget we should use in our home. So all electronic gadgets and connections should be turned off during a flood alert. Okay, student. So reason of the flood, causes of the flood, natural cause and man-made cause and precaution. Okay, then tsunami. A tsunami occurs due to earthquakes, underwater volcanic eruptions, and any other cause that might displace the ocean water. A tsunami occurs when one after the other gigantic waves hit the coastline. The impact of a tsunami are devastating. What is the reason of tsunami? The tsunami occurs due to earthquake, underwater volcanic eruption, and any other cause that might displace the ocean's water. Okay, so word is here. This is this is this is gigantic. It means huge and enormous. So waves are huge, and here's the coastline. So student, in 2018 in Indonesia they suffer from tsunami, and 2011 Japan is also suffer from tsunami. Okay, and so many reasons are there, they're suffering from it. And precaution. Tsunami alerts are generated by the authorities to save thousands of people from the disaster. The basic thing that should be kept in mind during a tsunami alert are: first, the seashore should be evacuated immediately. It means seashore, the coastal areas, peoples, animals, evacuated immediately. It means the act of removing the content of something. It means the act of leaving a place in an orderly, especially for protection. It is evacuated. Okay. Now second, try to find higher land or buildings for shelter. Try to find higher land or buildings for shelter. Now, people living in the coastal area should not go back to their homes until the authority declares it to be safe. So, three precautions are there for tsunami. After that, drought. Drought means dryness and aridity. It is droughts. When a region receives very less rainfall or no rainfall at all for a long time, it results in a drought. What is the result of drought? When a region receives very less rainfall or no rainfall. So this is a reason of drought. In fact file, drought led to shortage of food. Extreme shortage of food for a long period of time can lead to a famine. It means starvation, shortage of food. It is famine. Find out about the devastating famines that have occurred in India. Okay, find out. So student, drought means dryness, and aridity, it is drought, and famine also. Okay, now turn page. Yes, this is page number 46. In countries where agriculture is the main occupation, farmer depends completely on rainfall. No rainfall or scarce rainfall led to shortage of food crops. Okay, what is the precaution? A few steps that can be taken to avoid shortage of water and loss of food crop during droughts are: first, rainwater harvesting should be practiced by farmers. The rainwater can be stored in reservoirs built on the rooftops. It is very important, student. Rainwater harvesting should be practiced by farmer, as well as the rainwater can be stored in reservoirs built on the rooftops. Okay, now second, cultivable land should not be kept empty after the crops are harvested. Yes, cultivable lands where their farmer is cultivated crops. So cultivable land should not be kept empty after the crops are harvested. Third point, overgrazing by cattle should be kept in check. Always check, because this is the important reason of drought. Overgrazing by cattle. Okay. Farmers should be provided education on what to do and what not to do during drought. So education is must for farmers. Farmers should be provided education on what to do and what not to do during drought. Okay, so it is a very important for farmers as well as us, because we are also an important person. Now then, cyclone. Very strong and violent wind storm moving in a circle is called a cyclone. Student, it is a very strong and violent wind storm. It is a wind storm. Okay, moving in circle is called a cyclone, like this. See this? The wind speed can be more than 150 km per hour. Cyclones are common in coastal areas. Coastal areas means area near to the sea. We call it the coastal areas. Than in inland territories. The impact of cyclone is devastating. The cause huge damage to life and property. So student, here is the word devastating. It means causing severe loss and damage. So damage to life and property in every and each natural calamities. We lost our life and property also. Trees are uprooted, animals die, and sometimes even strong buildings are damaged. When very strong and violent wind storm moving in a circle is called cyclone. Then, okay. So what is the precautions? Precaution that should be taken if there is a cyclone alert are: an emergency kit with medicines, torch, batteries, and first aid should be kept ready. Second, drinking water and extra food should be stored. People should stay indoors and domestic animals should be moved to safe shelters. And electronic connection should be switched off. These are the precautions that should be taken if there is a cyclone alert. First, emergency kit. Second, extra food should be stored and drinking water. Third, people should stay indoor and domestic animals should be moved to safe shelter. And then electric connection should be switched off. So student, in this chapter, we have to study about the natural calamities and more about know about the earthquake, causes of earthquake, precaution, volcanic eruption, types of volcanoes and precautions, floods, causes of floods, precaution, tsunami, precautions, drought, precaution, cyclone, precaution. So always aware for these calamities. Okay. Now student, thank you so much for listening me.